Hello, people. So today I'm recording again after coming back from work. So excuse me looking the way I do. But seriously, yeah. Over the weekend I went for this movie called Dream Girl, which is Ayushmann Khurrana has like it's a stellar performance. Seriously, and the script is also very unique. I mean, like hats off to Balaji Telefilms for betting on such a film because I mean it's a very unique script, and at the same time some of the dialogues they have so much depth in them. It's the kind of depth I've not seen in a long time. So um, this is one movie that everyone should watch because um, everyone, as in it's you would think a movie with the title Dream Girl is something that probably children should not watch and all, but it the basic crux of the film is the fact that how loneliness is so widespread that people are just willing to fall in love with a voice over the phone. So that's the whole crux of the story. So quite a unique effort. So you all should go and watch it, people. Dream Girl. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.